Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to tell you that how you can download and install VLC Player on your PC. So let's start. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to write the VLC, and after writing the VLC, you have to press the enter. So as you can see, the VLC website is open. Now what you have to do, you have to click on this and open the official website of VLC. Now it's loading. So as you can see here, the VLC free open source cross platform multimedia players and framework and all the things are written here. So what you have to do, simply you have to click on this, and after clicking on this it will take, and after clicking on this it will take few seconds in downloading. So as you can see, the VLC is free and it's downloading, and here if you want to donate any kind of amount, you can also donate. Here's the option for that. So let's click on this, and so now we have to click on this, and after clicking on this, as you can see, the size of VLC setup is 42 MB and it's loading. We have to wait for a few seconds until it downloads. So as you can see, the VLC is downloaded and I have copied it and now I have pasted it here. Now what we have to do, we have to click on this, and after clicking on this we have to wait for a few seconds. So as you can see, here's the setup. Now what we need to do, we have to click on the yes, and after clicking on the yes, here you have to select the language and in which language you want the VLC. So I have selected this one. Now you have to click on the OK, and now you have to click on the next, and now you need to click on the next, and you can review these all options. Now you have to click on the next, and here you have to select the location. If you want to change, you can also change that, and now you have to click on the install, and after the completion of installation you will be able to play any kind of video. So as you can see, the installation of VLC is completed. Now we have to click on the finish, and now the VLC will be started. So as you can see, here's the VLC. Now you have to click on the continue, and now you can play any kind of video in this software. So I hope you guys understand this video. So see you guys in the next video.